Hello friends and welcome to this channel ProgrammingFever. In this video I will show you one new project, that is disease prediction and doctor recommendation system, which is created with the help of machine learning and Django framework. So before going into the details, let me show you its demo. So in this project we have the option for login and sign up for the doctor and patients. Since I already have an account, I will log in as a patient as a doctor in two different windows. Now here on the patient panel, you can see we have the option to view and edit profile, check diseases, view consultation history and give feedback. Similarly, on the doctor panel, we have the option to view, edit profile, view consultation history and give feedback. Now I will show you how a patient can predict their disease by giving symptoms and consult with the doctors. So here on the check disease page, we have the option to add symptoms. So I will add some symptoms here. Now this symptoms data will be passed to the machine learning trained model for the disease prediction. And once we will get the result, we will have the option to consult with the doctor. So here on a consultation page, you can see the recommended doctor. Here you can view the doctor's profile and rating before consultation. Now I will click on consult button and send message to doctor. Moreover, here you can see as a patient, we can see all the details of the doctor. Similarly, on a doctor panel, you can see the patient consultation request. So here, I will click on consultation button and you can see we can check all the patient related information and patient messages. Now, as a doctor, I will give a reply to patient. And here on a patient panel, you can see we get the reply. So after consultation, we have the option to close consultation and give feedback. Now let me show you its source code, report and dataset. So this is the dataset and model training script to detect the disease. And this is the PPT of the project. Now let me show you its report. So as you can see, it is created with proper template. You can even see the table of content that is covered. And this is the research paper of the project. Moreover, you can also take synopsis before starting the project. So if you want this whole project or you need any modification in this existing project, then message me on Instagram ProgrammingFever. I will provide link in the description, you can check it. And if you like this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.